So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY bog filter for a pond. Now, just in case you guys didn't know what this pond is, this is my fancy pond. These guys are purposely bred to be kept out all year round. Minus that for today, because obviously the main focus is about building a DIY bog filter. So driller will all be here. So far I've got the pipe connected as well. I wish the hole was slightly bigger, but I can't find a bigger drill bit at the moment. Which is something I go just redo out at some point later on. It's not too biggie. So be here. Got 3 pieces of pipe. So one on the bottom, 2 then after here. We've got a 3-way pipe, or 3-way connector pipe. Now this is going to act as a breather hole. So if something electric goes off in the house, or the pond electric goes, so something like a fuse or something goes off, then the water's not going to get rushed back down to the pond. We'll have like this breather pipe here to hopefully stop it from over back in the pond or overfilling our pond to end up having a fish on the floor. So that's what we want. Now I drill the holes in the bottom of this bottom pipe all the way around, different sizes, different things, and that is because the idea is we're going to pump our pond water from this top pipe, wash it all down, and it comes out and it overflows back up towards the gravel. So the main reason why I'm building a bog filter is because we did have these 49 ounce on this pond. Now, my sister, they were great. They did a one hell of a job of covering the pond up and things like that. Just personally for me, it would just take up too much room. Also, because of the roots in the plants, and at the moment I got my albino and my diamond station on here just to let them grow out for the ponds, for the bigger ponds. They were getting stuck in the roots. So that's the main reason why I'm going to end up building one bog filter. I'm also replacing it with filter in the pond, because the filter in the pond's quite massive, because in the pond it takes so much room. So I'm replacing it with a pump with a separate AV, and then one bog filter be here currently, and I will be doing a second one on that side down at a later date. But I'm I already got stuff here just to build one. I don't have the stuff here to build 2. So yeah, we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna add the gravel in and get it all hooked up and see how it actually works. Now this is a good idea why you should have a breather pipe on your fog. Right now as the water is currently running, right now I'm just kind of cleaning the gravel up a little bit so that one doesn't make the pond water too much dirty. Even though for temporary I'm going to keep the filter on that pond, because we'll be making a separate video when we do a big makeover. So right now water's running absolutely fine. Next thing you know, water stops or a power cut. So the idea of the breather pipe would be, because it'd be sucking in air as well as bringing that water in and down, eventually this water's going to stop. That water is starting to stop, but that water's not going to go back into the pond. If we left the use pipe in there, that water will start going back down the pipe. Now because this breather pipe is in, this is going to stop any water going back into the pond, or in this case back on the floor. So there you go. That's the main reason why you should have a breather pipe on your bog. Preferably a little bit higher than that, but honestly I'm not going to plant around too much around that. Same again around the wall. I'm going to leave so much space as well. And right now, next thing is to add in our plants and get started. So with the plants in the basket, they're going to be a little bit harder, but I also got these 3 plants that also need to go in. I was doing some other projects, but at the moment I'm not doing them other projects just quite yet. So the minute is to show you what I'm going to do. These plants don't look the best because I've completely forgot I had them. So the best thing is to do is to wash up my soil. Now the main reason I'm going to wash the soil off the plants and plant the plants in with the roots is the fact of we want the bog filter to work, which obviously once the fish poop is built up in the bog, this will be where again its nutrients from, whereas currently it's getting its nutrients from the soil. So the best thing you can do is actually get rid of that pollen around your plants and plant them in bare roots. That will then, this will work with Mother Nature, not against. That's probably the best advice I can give. So yeah, that's pretty much I'm going to do that now, next couple of times, and then we get back to it now. The bog is temporarily right now for this pipe like this. New sort of properly, but for tonight, I'm just going to leave it like that. The water's really looking crystal clear. Did wash it out for a good while, as well as plant the plants in. So now let's just see what it looks like in a week or two. I'll give you guys an update at the end of the video. But yeah, it looks really well and really nice, and the flow is just right where it's not going to overflow. That's enough to go out with that water. Yeah, see how it goes. So, update on the bog filter. Our bog filter has been set up for about 2 weeks. I redesigned the pond, which you'll see down the next video. I guess sort of a little tease. So now the bog filter's been running its own now for the last 2 weeks, or 2 weeks or so. It's doing really well. Plants are thriving. Obviously the water quality is crystal clear. I know even though it's got a bit of green texture, but that's the tiles. Actually, there's not a water that is the tiles, which I don't really mind. It just kind of looks cool, kind of a bit natural. As well as the other thing was Groot, which is he is a solar panels homemade DIY water feature. So he runs on a solar panel, but he's mainly just a show. He doesn't really do anything. It's just there for show. And it's just a bit different and a bit more added on to the pond itself, as well as the actual bog feature. But you can see, excuse me. As you can see, the bog filter is running really well. The plants are doing really well. And obviously, the main and important thing is the water quality is crystal clear. And that's the main thing. As long as it's keeping the water crystal clear and all the fish seem to be happy and healthy, which they are, and that is the main thing. You see this full tile remakeover in next week's video. So watch that one. I'll wait until subscribe and watch that video when it does come out, because that is going to be a fun, long video I'm going to be posting here on the Tranter show. But yeah, and this bog filter appeared on my tank. So this bog filter appeared of my one which I built for my fish tank. Is actually going to be staying. It is going to be running absolutely fucking perfectly until I see have a bit for other reasons why to get rid of it. But at this point in time, I don't see anything. Water's happy, fish are happy. That's the main thing.